To turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp and protect your accounts from hackers, follow these simple steps on your Android device. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now select Account and then tap on two-step verification. Next, tap on Turn on or Enable. You will be asked to create a 6-digit PIN. This PIN will be required whenever you try to register your phone number with WhatsApp again. Enter your desired PIN and confirm it again. After that, you will be asked to enter your email address. This is optional but highly recommended. In case you forget your PIN and need to recover it, enter your email and confirm. Finally, tap Done and your two-step verification will be activated. That's it. Two-step verification is now turned on your WhatsApp account, adding an extra layer of security. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy tech tutorials.